In this video, I'll guide you through how to remove your resume from ZipRecruiter. Maybe you uploaded a resume a while ago and it's out of date, or you simply don't want it visible to employers anymore. Whatever your reason, the process is quick and straightforward once you know exactly where to click. I'll walk you through each step so you can follow along on your own screen. First, open your web browser and go to ZipRecruiter's website. In this example, we're using the .de version, but the steps are very similar if you're on another regional site like .com. Make sure you're logged into the correct account, especially if you've used more than one email address with ZipRecruiter in the past. If you're not logged in yet, go ahead and sign in before moving on. Otherwise, you won't see the options we're about to use. Once you're signed in and on the main ZipRecruiter page, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile area there. It might show your name, an initial, or a small profile icon. Click on that profile section to open a drop-down menu. This menu is where ZipRecruiter groups all your personal settings and account tools, including access to your resume details. From the drop-down menu, look for the option labeled Manage Profile and click it. This will take you to your main profile management page. Give the page a moment to load. Here, ZipRecruiter shows your personal information, job preferences, and importantly, your resume details. If you've uploaded a resume before, you should see it listed in this area. Now focus on the section labeled Resume. This is where the file you previously uploaded is stored and managed. Next to your resume, you'll see an option to remove it. Click the Remove button. When you do this, ZipRecruiter may ask you to confirm that you really want to delete or remove your resume from your profile. This is a safeguard to prevent accidental changes. Confirm that you want to remove the resume. After confirming, the file should disappear from the resume section of your profile. Take a moment to double check that there's no resume listed anymore. If the page doesn't update right away, try refreshing your browser to make sure the change has been fully applied. Removing your resume from ZipRecruiter means that the document you uploaded is no longer attached to your profile. This can help if you're concerned about outdated information being shared with employers, or if you simply want more control over what's stored in your account. If you change your mind later, you can always come back to this same Manage Profile area and upload a new updated version of your resume. That's all there is to it. You went to the ZipRecruiter site, opened your profile drop-down in the top right, selected Manage Profile, and then removed your resume from the resume section. Follow these steps whenever you need to update or clear out your information, and you'll keep your ZipRecruiter profile aligned with your current job search needs.